shit.
She's about 2800 wide. You look at it, tungsten tips. That thing's going to chew through whatever we need to. I don't think there's any lug around this joint that's going to give us any stoppage.
I'm going to be churning through, because I've got a lot of dead trees lying around, and a bit of old bush and a bit of stuff, but things like that.
Yeah, we're gonna kill through that. What do you think of that, mate?
Outstanding.
Mate,
If I had more time, I'd be ripping in.
Yeah.
We're trial and error again.
I was going to say you're a natural, and I don't remember you being a wrecking machine in your playing days, but you were pretty good.
Got to go back to the early days, late 90s, early 2000s.
Yeah,
That's
right.
when I was a wrecking ball.
Fair enough.
But no, it's a good machine.
No, shredded it, mate. Killing it.
That would clear up a lot of land very quickly.
Happy days.